going to be talking about the configurations of the anomers. That's the two structures of monosaccharides. Anomers are structures in which the configuration changes only at one carbon atom, which is called the anomeric carbon. So here we have these two structures of glucose, and the difference is in the orientation of the OH group at the first carbon. So if we are to check, this is the first carbon here, this is the second, this is the third, fourth, fifth, then finally the sixth carbon. Then here we also have first, second, third, fourth, fifth, then finally the sixth. So if we look at this first structure to the right, you see that the OH group at the first carbon is down. The OH group at the first carbon is down. So this structure is called the alpha glucose. It's the alpha glucose. Then, looking at the other structure, you can see that the OH group here at the first carbon is up. So this one now is the beta. This one is the beta glucose. So that is it for glucose. We go to fructose. As already indicated, you can see in this structure to the right, the OH group is up. So it is the beta fructose. Then here the OH group is down, which tells you that it's already the alpha fructose, as you can see written down. Then in galactose, you see it's the same concept. The OH group is up here for beta fructose and down for alpha fructose. Galactose, sorry. So this is galactose. Now, these differences in configuration at the anomeric carbon, they lead to the different types of bonds that we know for the disaccharides, the glycosidic bonds. For example, you have maltose, made up of two glucose molecules. As you can see, the formation, this is the glycosidic bond. This is the glycosidic bond formed here, and it is formed downwards, meaning that first, let's number the structure and see. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4 here, 5, and 6. This is also 1 here, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now, if you can visualize very well, you see that the OH during the formation of this bond was down, and that's the reason why the bond is formed down. So this bond is called the alpha 1,4 glycosidic bond. The alpha 1,4 glycosidic bond in maltose. Now, going to lactose. To lactose, you can see this is the glucose molecule, and this is the galactose. So, as already indicated, you can see that position 1 of galactose, the OH was probably up here, then the glucose was here. So the OH of galactose was in the beta position, that is, it was up. So there's formation of the glycosidic bond between the beta OH of glucose and the OH the beta OH of galactose and the OH of glucose. So this bond is the beta 1,4 glycosidic bond. Then going to sucrose. This is the first carbon of fructose, second, third, fourth, and so on. Then this is the first carbon of glucose here, second, third, fourth, and go. So we see there's formation of the bond by OH that is located downwards. So this is the alpha 1, because that's the position where the OH is from. Then 2, glycosidic bond. The 2 is the position of the OH in fructose, while the 1 denotes the position of the OH in glucose. So that's all for today. From what we have done so far, you can tell which one is the alpha 1,4, which one is the beta 1,4, and which one is the alpha 1,2.